If you want to update Snapchat application on your Android device, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, the simple way is to head over to the Play Store and then simply go to the search bar and search for Snapchat. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on the logo of Snapchat application and you'll be able to find an option of update. You'll have to tap on update and it will start updating Snapchat application. But in case it says open, technically you have installed the latest version of Snapchat already. But if you're facing some glitches and bugs, you can do one thing. You can head over to the settings of your Android device. Then you'll have to scroll down a bit and then tap on app section. Then tap on Snapchat. Now finally once on this page, after tapping on Snapchat, you'll have to tap on storage and cache. Now you'll have to tap on clear cache and then you'll have to go back and you'll have to tap on uninstall and then you'll have to tap on OK, and after that you'll have to go to the Play Store again and you will be able to find an option of install on this page, and you will have to install it once again and all your bugs and glitches will be solved, and you'll also get access to all the latest features. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.